I saw it in a magazine, a dream in black and white, a cruise beneath the heavens, chasing distant light. From New York down to Bermuda, where the dark runs deep, with telescopes and starlight, where the sky doesn't sleep. They said the minds were brilliant, names that filled the page, and Isaac Asimov himself would take the stage. A comet called Kohoutek of the century, they swore, but science kept it cautious. Still we wanted more. Under Bermuda stars, where the sky hangs low, where the ocean breathes and the night winds blow, we chased a light that burned so far, just to stand together under Bermuda stars. The ship pulled out at sunset, a quiet, awkward crowd, men without much presence, thinking thoughts out loud. But laughter filled the dresses, colors in the night, yin and yang in motion under a ballroom light. A voice cut through the darkness, soft English tone. Isn't it just awesome, drifting all alone? I found her in the shadows, in a strange disguise, a trash bag with two holes cut out for eyes. Under Bermuda stars, where the sky hangs low, where the silence sings and the warm winds blow, a comet burned a ghostly scar. We all believed it under Bermuda stars. Bolts and lenses turning in the damp night air, wet grass underneath us, but the sky was fair. We chased forever in a borrowed view, and every soul up there was chasing something too. Under Bermuda stars, where the strange feels right, where the fear fades out in the velvet night. We came for science, traveled far, but found a story under Bermuda stars. The ship is gone to memory, the voyage slipped away, but somewhere in the darkness, those stars will always stay.